Students, today I'll explain you from August month course, chapter 3. August month course is chapter 3, 9 and 10. Chapter 3 is linear equation in two variables and chapter 9 is height and distances and chapter 10 is circle. Okay. In that chapter 3, first we'll start. Chapter 3, linear equations in two variables. Some hard words are there that I am repeating. You listen carefully. Simultaneously, substitution, cross multiplication, elimination, verification, consistent, algebraically, variables, representation, conditions. Okay, again I am repeating. Simultaneously, substitution, cross multiplication, elimination, verification, consistent, algebraically, variables, representation and conditions. Okay, so these are the hard words. Now introduction part of this chapter. In our daily life we come across many situations in which equations in two variables are required, such as Shivani, any student is there. She went to Lal Chowk. In you see, Lal Chowk is very famous place. There she went to Lal Chowk and with her friends they wanted to eat Golgappa. They wanted to eat Golgappa as well as Dahi Bhalla. Okay. The cost of one plate of the Golgappa was ₹10 and cost of one plate of Dahi Bhalla was ₹20. Golgappa one plate cost is ₹10 and the Dahi Bhalla cost is what? ₹20. And they have spent the 200 rupees. They have spent the 200 rupees to purchase that. Then how many Dahi Bhalla and how many Golgappa they have purchased? To solve this problem, we need the help of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, this is the one condition is given. With that one equation will be formed and we are able to get the what? Many solutions. Okay, so this type of situation many times it is coming in our daily life and we are able to get. Just like the one example more I am giving you. Suppose the one table cost is 300 rupees, one chair cost is what? 200 rupees, and the total investment has been done of 1000 rupees. Then how many tables and how many chairs have been purchased? So for that also the equation will be met and we are able to find, because the table and chair, two things are there, therefore that means two variables. Just like there in Dahi Bhalla and the Golgappa, there also the two things were there, so two variables will be there. Okay. An equation of the form. I am writing that equation. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equations in two variables. Because the equal sign is there and it is the what? Degree of this equation is what? 1. So therefore this is the linear equation, okay, of two variables. Two variables which are there, x and y. Two variables are there. A, B, C are the real numbers. And where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Why a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0? If a will be 0, then that will be linear equation of one variable. If b is not equal to 0, again it will be linear equation of one variable only. Okay. If a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, that time we are able to find the what? Linear equation of two variables. Okay. And if both will be 0, then we are getting only the constant. So where the x, y are the variables and a, b, c are the real numbers, one example I am giving you. Just like the 2x plus 3y equals 17. So this can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 17 equals 0. It is converted in the form of ax plus by plus c, where a is what? 2, b is what? 3 and c is minus 17. Okay. In that way we can get the value of a, b and c. any pair of the values of x and y which satisfied the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called its solution. What I am saying, because if you will take the only one equation, linear equation of the two variable only, you will take the only one equation, that time you will get the infinite solution. That time you can get the what, infinite many solution. But you want only the one solution, okay? So that time the x value, y value will become 1 when the what pair of the linear equations will be given. Suppose that it is given 2x plus 3y equals 17, and the another one it is given 5x plus 9y equal 22. In that way it is given. So then we are able to solve the value of x and y, and with the one equation we will get the what, infinite many solutions. The graph of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a straight line, because this is the linear equation, and linear equation will get the only straight line. Why? How will get the straight line? From here you can get the value of x or y, and then after you will put the different values, and you will get the what, only straight line. And all the points that lie on the graph of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, it gives solution. We suppose that any graph has been made, this line is made, how many points will be there? Whatever the points will be there, that will satisfy the linear equation of two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables is said to be form of simultaneous linear equation. Just like here two equations are given, that is called the simultaneous linear equations. Okay, that is called the simultaneous linear equation. So here the important things are there. To get the one solution, we need the simultaneous linear equation, a pair of the simultaneous linear equations. Okay, and the graph of the linear equation is a what, that is a straight line, and the standard form of the linear equation two variable is what, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so these things we have got here. Okay students, thank you.